Just got here at Marble Mountains. This is Ampu Cave. We've been in Da Nang probably about an hour and a half. We just got a transfer from the airport to our hotel, dropped the rucksacks off, come back out. Yeah, so we're just at the bottom of Marble Mountain. There's the caves behind us. We're just about to purchase the tickets now from the box office. This is to go to the top of Marble Mountain. There is an option to get the elevator up there, but obviously it's me and Nathan, we're not going to do that. Yeah, so the tickets for the two of us to go up Marble Mountain works out to about £3 for the two of us.
Yes, we've just come to the highest peak of Marble Mountains. So we've escaped the crowds on this one, and the view's stunning.
Just walked down the steps just to get back down to where we came from, and this is one of the points where you have to go through. It just looks like a black hole. Knife's going in first. Anything happens, I'll know not to go in.
So we're now in Dong Huan Kahong Cave.
So we're just about to go into one of the caves here.